Alright, watch this. So tonight on SouFLoTV on YouTube, we're going live, right? With WhatsApp calling. WhatsApp calling number is 321-216. What? 321 Bomba Clot 576-2232. So brains round us up. Say hi, babe.
Hi guys, I'm putting up the vlog video so y'all can
Oh, go check out BRAINS&THEBEAT right now, because we're going to break a little news too, and then come link up live tonight, and we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Ninja Man whole situation. We're going to talk about a bag of things. Bring any other topic that you want to talk about. Massacre drop a hot video, hot song, and just a bag of something to go on, right? Bring your topics to the table. We can also talk about this murder rate that continues in Jamaica. It is way out of control right now. If you don't want to talk about that, I saw you go. Just make sure you show up tonight, 9 p.m. on SouFLoTV.